Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday and signal number 1 dito sa Nueva Ecija dahil sa bagyong Enteng. So this is our view. I'm taking a video, my love. Video? Say hi, camera. Kakagising lang namin. And yan, ang lakas ng ulan. And si Inday ay naglaba kagabi. So, saan natin nibibilad yun? I have camera. I show to the video your camera. Nice.
Mommy!
You show it here. Here, oh. Look, oh. That's a nice camera, my love. You say good morning, everybody. Why? You have pupu? Okay, I'll wash you na. Sige na. Okay, so for today's breakfast, ayan, nagluluto tayo ng pancake for Luis. And then, nag-grave kami ng itlog. So, ang tagal na namin hindi nakakakain ng itlog. So, diba? Bagay na bagay sa panahon. So, yan may ako lang ba or kami lang mag-asawa yung gusto yung ganitong type ng itlog sa noodles. So, yun yung para medyo matigas ng konti yung medyo lapas. Tapos pag biniyak mo siya sa gitna, medyo freshy pa. Yes. So, ang sarap ng itlog. Turtle? Where are we going? We're going to the dentist. Kaming tatlo po.
Naka-play na to?
Yes, the other patient is...
Hi camera, for today's video, okay? Wow, you're nice. Where are you? Ouchie. Good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Doctora will fix it. Okay. Lip balm, tell to Doctora you.
You put lip balm.
Yeah.
Say hi to the camera.
Ay, ay, sorry. Ay, ka rin, ay ka.
Show your teeth. Nice.
Color. Eh, no.
Pink.
And how about that? Is blue or red?
Mama, yung pink.
Pink.
Mama, ng pink.
Nalate po kami.
Thank you, Doctora. Ay. Ano po?
3 po. Hotel Doktora. Yung ouchie. Alin yung ouchie? Ayun. Oh.
Doctora will fix it.
Opo, front po. Hi! Say hi! Hi! Oh, okay na yung teeth? Ah, not ouchie anymore! Yung teeth niya. Okay,
Good job.
Let's go! Go to the playhouse. Raise your hand. Doris 2.
Ay.
You want to ride the train? Okay. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Nahantay yung train sa taas.
Yes.
Diyos ko, lakas kumain.
Dali, dali.
Ayun. Ano? Replaying na.
Okay mo, chicken. And then, subo ka na anak. Go.
Ay, sus. Lakas.
Good. Say good to mommy. Say good to mommy.
Okay.
Ano yun?
Anak, solong-solo mo yung playhouse. Kakalabas lang po yung mga bata. Kakatapos na ng sakuna.
Kaya ganyan, magulo pa din.
Say hi, my love. Hi.
Napo ko na po.
Si Cook. No more toys daw. Look for the toys.
Ay, work? Nag-work ka na?
Solo mo, ha? Good? Are you good? Slowly. Slowly. Ayan, nasa SM po tayo ngayon dito sa Playhouse. Not in Walter Mart. Here in SM Cabanatuan. Kasi po, very good si Lori sa dentist. Kaya nasa Playhouse siya. Yay! Shoot! Shoot! Are you happy? Oh, what's that? Ay, sus! Are you happy? Ay, solong-solo po niya ang Playhouse. First time. Walang kids. Okay, go! Go, my love. Ano? Oh, careful. Yes, be careful, my love. Oh, oh. I said be careful. Okay. Okay, my love. Why you have two telephones? Ah, for Mommy and Luis. Okay, thank you. Bye. Luis. We're playing here in the playhouse po. Hi, camera. Say hi, guys.
Mommy, for you.
Okay, this is for me. Okay. I'm gonna press the telephone on. Toot, 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 toot. Hello? Hello? What is that, my love?
Dog.
Your dog? Is that your pet? Slowly. Slowly, my love. I'll wait you here. Oh. Oh yes, I love you.
can make everything.
Loris is driving the car. You go. Driving. Loris is driving the car.
Christmas is coming.
Why it's white? It's a design, my love. Yeah, it's a design. You like white? Huh? What?
Baka set up na po yun.
What's that?
Who is that? Elsa Damet.
You want that? You want that?
You. Ano daw i-check niya?
Oh, Luis check.
You're gonna check? Oh, wait. I'll get it for you. Here. Move. Are you stuck? Oh. You like that? Ay, so smart.
Not that.
Not kasha because it's so big. Okay? I'll put it here. Oh, sige.
How about this? This one, this one. Ito. This one, di ba you want to cook? This.
Like that?
You wanna check.
Ang
Oh,
lalaki.
check again. Oh, sure. Look at mommy. Mommy, it's okay? Tell to mommy.
Is it okay, my love? Or too big? Thank you. It's too big nga naman kasi, Daddy. Pang malalaki to eh. Doon pa yung pambata eh.
Okay, mommy.
Ay, Diyos ko. You like purple? Favorite color niyo yung purple.
Why cook?
Put what? What are you gonna put inside? What are you gonna put inside the pumpkin?
Why three?
What?
Then put the meat inside.
You put candy inside?
No.
Why 3?
Why is it 3?
No, no.
You want to buy everything? 1 for?
For your wish, for your boy, mommy and mama and daddy, and for your wish.
Akala ko dad yung gusto niya yung baby na yun. You need panty. Bye. We're going home na. In the house.
Baba?
Put it all there na. And your daddy will fix this.